What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? What's up? It's SkinnyBoyRandy. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. It's raining out here, you guys. It's raining outside. But I have to do this video. I love you. Thank you so much for being here. Hope you're subscribed. If you're not, click the thumbs up, thumbs down. Just another two middle fingers. Okay, okay? Leave a comment. Share the video, you guys. It's raining. I don't want it to rain all over my camera. But look, my neighbor came. Not my neighbor. My old neighbor, and she's still my neighbor, she's my second mom, came and gave me these. Look. Potatoes with eyes on. Look, y'all, these are red potatoes. She said, Randy, I have potato. Look, y'all. Come on now. Come on. I was gonna cut some of these. I don't need to cut these. You see that? Look at these potatoes. Yes, my neighbor gave me these. She's been saving them. Her and her sister. Shout out to Miss Daisy Nickens. I love you so much. Thank you. I love you. Okay, okay. Look at these potatoes, y'all. Red. Look at that. Oh, God. Oh, look. So many eyes on this potato. On all of these potatoes, you guys. Eyes. Now, I can take this one right here. Slice it right down the middle. And you have two potatoes. Okay? These are plants, you guys. I don't have to cut these because they've really already started. Some of the roots have fallen off. And I'm down here in the ground in the backyard of the SkinnyBoy Farms. Look. I can just put these in the ground, y'all. I'm not cutting anything else because they're already rooted. Yeah, they're ready to go right into the ground. Some not so good, but well, there are eyes on these. There are eyes. These red potatoes. Look how beautiful. It's raining, y'all. It's raining out here. So what I'm gonna do, I have my garden already set up. Let me put the camera over here. I like to get you guys right down in the ground with me. And you also know I'm always leaving something out. So I'm going to get over here. I dug this up already. I came out my shoe, y'all. And these some brand new socks. Lord, have mercy. So I'm going to shovel this area over. I've already dug it up. Let's get some of the weeds out. Okay? Okay. And then we're going to take these potatoes. I'm going to make sure the ground is nice and loose. Nice and loose. And we're going to drop these babies. Take these babies. You can set them right in the ground like that, y'all. Because they're already ready. No need to cut. Some you can cut. You don't have to. These are the red ones. I'm going to put the red down here. Put these up there. More red tomatoes down here. Try to put the eye up if you can, which is the flower part. Try to put that part up. Okay? Okay. I love you guys. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for following. And just lay them down in the ground. With the eyes up if you can. And there you have you guys. We've made our potato bed. Our first tomato bed. Okay. Oh, I stepped out the shoe again. Y'all, I'm trying to get out this rain. Get some of the extra dirt that I dug out of here. Just kind of get some of the grass out. And cover your tomatoes. I said tomatoes. I mean potato. Potato, tomato, tomato. And just cover them. A little bit. Yeah, you guys, just cover them. Because tomatoes, I keep saying tomatoes, potatoes grow under the ground. So we're just going to cover these up. Cover them up. Use that soil that you dug out. Cover them back up. Yeah, you guys. Get down in there. Look at this one. Can y'all see this one right here? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that potato. All the roots. We're just going to cover it up. Cover the ones over there. I move one over. I hope I'm catching everything, you guys. I keep stepping out of my shoe. Cover them up. Yeah, the roots will break back. The roots will come back. The stems, they'll show their face. Just cover them up because they've been growing by themselves. Isn't that amazing? You don't have to be pretty with your garden. We don't do pretty gardening. We do what? Productive gardening. Okay, okay. So, we've just planted potatoes, you guys. Thank you, God, for friends that will look out for you and say, hey, I know Skinny Boy Randy likes to garden. Let me give him all these potatoes with the eyes already on them. I can't be more blessed. I love you guys. You are the best. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Click thumbs up, thumbs down. That's just not the 2 middle fingers. Okay, okay? I love you. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh. Grow something into you guys. We planted some potatoes. We got some potatoes. We're going to make some french fries, some tater tots, some fried potatoes and onions and all that good stuff. I love you. You're the best.